So, looking at the map, I do have a key. I could go here. This might take me toward this flame. There does look like there could be a lot right in here. But it looks like to get there, I gotta go through here, through here, through here. So I either have to drop through all this bird mess that I was doing, or just drop all the way down here, which would take me back through here. And I do not know why this is not on the map. That's under the ostriches. So if I can get back there, I can throw a dynamite, firecracker, and try to map it. But I'm wondering if it's not quicker to map and teleport. So let's just do that. And was it this one? Kind of. I mean, that works. I want to see if there's one closer. I really need to learn where these go. No, that's kind of up from where I just was. That is closer, but then I would have to climb up some. But that might not be too bad. I could go check out that question mark wall. Let's just do this while we're here. I can always teleport back out. Might as well throw one of those basically everywhere I go now just to check. This is not going down. I wanted it to go down. How far up do I have to go to switch that? I don't know if I want to fool with it. We'll see. Okay, not that far. Lots of cats meowing. Oh, now that's going the wrong direction, isn't it? Probably could just frisbee off of that other wall, but I've got this now. Aha, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Let's get that off of the map. So, northwest, northwest, southwest, southwest, down. Alright. And it's actually showing up on the map, so that's kind of strange. So that would be 6, 6, 4, 4, 3. So it looks like looks like all of the tunes are 5 notes except for the teleport. So that one room with the crows I probably either have to make that a 4-1 or a 2-3 at the end. Okay. So nothing happens here. Okay. Don't think I need to go back up in there, so okay. Well, that is something. That is a little bit of progress. I think it was just quicker and easier to do that. And I really want to see if I can top left. I don't see anything in this room in the top left, but it looks like a passageway. And give you a firework, possibly in case you don't have one already. So there is a passage right there. So that gets that taken care of. Don't know why I never got that the first time I was here. That is very strange, because those are very needy equipment. I should have eaten the other fruit first. That was dumb. Oh well. You're such a jerk. Go away. I'd like to check that room. Check the left top corner, but I'm not sure if it's worth it. At least we finally got that out of the way. Oops. That just looks like it should be something. It's just long, straight, empty. Oh, did not want to do that. Oh well. Both of those look like there could be something right there and right there. So annoying. Okay. Really strange. Lots of just dead space there. It takes me back up to the birds. Don't really want to go there. Ooh. So this time I was in this room. This has to be some sort of clue, hint, or there's something in this room, or it's just a timer. Every so many, like every hour you've played the game. It is so bizarre, and I need to. Maybe I'm supposed to play that other tune that I never got to work. No. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I don't know. It's like 9 notes. So... how do I get over there then, if this does not connect? So I have missed a teleport somewhere. A fast travel. And I remember this room because this was, you had to do a slinky, and then you had to do the yo-yo to hit these 2 switches, and then hit this to open up this door. So how did I get there? This was the mice you ran through, and this was the down tunnel. I don't see a way in. It had to have been a pipe dumped me out there, and I never wrote it down. Very strange. That almost looks like an owl on top of that pedestal. Yeah, there's probably nothing in this room other than the candles. So I have one in the bottom right, one in the dead center, and then two on the left. Place is metal. Oh, snake metal. Okay. Nice. So, let's remove that. Finally, we're making progress. So I could get up, bubbling up on the top left, and then there's a ladder to a hidden area. I could probably bubble up there. I just have to be careful of those spikes. Alright, let's just try it. Oops, that was dumb. Get out! Oh yeah, how am I supposed to? Huh. So they do want you to find a place to put a frisbee. So I don't think I can quite make that jump. Oh, almost made it, almost made it. That would save a load of time. There's another little pedestal right there. I think I'm going to start calling those Tesla towers in the background, because it's kind of what they look like as a... Oh, come on. There we go. No, come on. Ooh. Yes! So much better than whatever way they wanted me to do that. Oops, didn't want to do that. Didn't want to do that either. Oh well. How far back am I? Not that far. Yeah, it's a little far. Little too far. Is this where I want to go? I think it is. Might be a quicker way, but this will get me there. Because I know this is the way I went earlier to the snake melt. Yeah. So this is the quickest way. Nice. Is that a... I wonder, is that in my inventory? Nope, it's not in my inventory anymore. So you hit the switch and that lets you come in, grab this ladder. Then how are you supposed to do that? Because they're going to be switched the other way. That is so weird. Oops. Oh, come on. Oops. It didn't set me up on the ledge. My fault. My fault. And I need to find another save point so I don't have to do this every time. Weird. Didn't want to take. Sorry guys, I got so many items and in a new place, I'm trying to be probably too thorough exploring. Oops. But at least now I know when I get one of those discs, it goes to a specific place and then you just have to find it. Are you gonna hurt me, buddy? Aha, okay. So I need to hit 4 switches. I'm not seeing them right now, but I do see some fruit, and I do see, yeah, I do see another one of those, like right in that area. Do I have to make you eat all these fruits? Is that what I have to do? Alright, come eat this one. No, you didn't eat it. Ow. Oh, it's so annoying. What is that red spot on the wall there? Don't know. Okay. So I wonder if I leave that top going, if I can bubble, and you'll leave the bubble alone. No. A remote. Oh my gosh, I'm missing an item. And now this is expanded. What the heck is a remote? I wonder if you can remote switches. Oh, that would be cool. You can. That is so dumb. Oh my gosh, it's cool. Oh, thank goodness. Where is this? Okay, below me is not showing up on the map. Oh, but this is a cool item. I can't believe. I'm probably places I'm not supposed to be yet. And I figure I've broke something with the bubble hack. I think I'm gonna have to start selecting items like this because I can never remember which order to go in. And why are these blocks so colorful? That is so strange. Oops. Oh, that's what that is! Oh my gosh, I can remove all those on the screen now. Or on the map, I mean. Wow. I am bad at this game. Okay. I know there were some more. Possibly these two. This one, I'm pretty sure that one was. I'm pretty sure both those were. Oops. No, take it up. Don't know about this one. I'm gonna leave this one because I can't remember. That one I'll take off. This one I'm pretty sure is the same. So I'm pretty sure those other ones are as well. Okay. So now I need to erase. Erase that. This is so slow going across the map. And I'm pretty sure, now that doesn't look like it's, I'm going to leave that other one. I am going to leave the other one. I'm going to take this one off and this one off. But this one I'm going to leave on because it is kind of in the blank spaces. Oh man, this is just, that's just so cool. Oh, I can make the snake go different directions. Eat the fruit. That is ridiculous. So when it is turned on, you do control the snake. Iridescent egg. Oh, that is just too cool. I was wanting to see if, by any chance, doesn't look like it. Oops. Ha ha ha. That's what you get for killing me. Now this puzzle makes so much more sense. Wow. Too cool! This game has got some really awesome creative puzzle ideas. Really great exploration.